Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you must have watched previous video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and please do share it. Great. So again, this video will be in English and Hindi languages so that my Hindi as well as my English viewers can understand it. चलिए तो आज का सेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं. So we've already completed, in previous video about the consonant. So as I told you, we do have 20 vowel sound and 24 consonant sound. So vowel, we do have fa, a, e, I, o, u, and whenever you have to use articles, you should know 20 sounds. Okay, then only you can correctly use articles. So that's why it's very important. So we have already done, 24 sounds. Now we do have remaining 10. So here we are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 vowel sound, okay, plus 8 diphthong again. So it will become 20 sounds, okay, fine, in all 44 sounds. Great. The first one is E, like tree. This is the symbol. Feet, seat, field, seen, and it is in lowercase. Got it. Now this one is E, fish, dish, big, okay, with capital I, U. Okay, so this is what IPA symbol, remember. This is what a, cat, mat, rat. Okay, fine. Now next one. This is a, car, pot, far, father, father. Okay, the so in British English we say remember it's a kind of a short sound. Okay, and when your jaw and tongue are very relaxed. Okay, so now next one, this one. Okay, so clock, lock, stop. Okay, clock. Now this is what? Oh, horse, law, door, brought, fourth, fourth. Okay, unvoiced th. Great. Now next one. This is what? Ooh, ooh. Okay, ooh. Book, pull, wood. Now next one. This is what? Ooh, boot, pool, root, blue, moo, blue, moo. Got it. This is what? A, bird, turn, person, word. This one is a. Okay. Egg, red, hat, a. Got it? This is what? A, up, sun, sun, low. Okay. This is what? Oh. Okay. So computer, computer, soda, ka, soda, arrive, arrive, upon, upon. Got it. So you can revise all these. We've completed 12. 8 we are going to check diphthongs. In all we'll have 20, and we have already done 24 consonant sound in our last video. So in all we'll have 44. Got it. Now so next 8. So these are the songs we are going to now check it out. Okay, so 12 we already finished. Now 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it. So in all we'll have 20. Here, this is what? I, hide, try, side, I. Got it. This is what? A, say, wait, lane. This is what? I, boy, coin, coin. Now next one. Ow, loud, cow, cow, loud. Okay, this is O, go, show, boat, road. Okay. This is what? E, B, fee, he. Okay. This is what? A, day, air, day, bear, a. Got it? Now here. Ooh, pool, shore, tour. Got it. So these were 8 plus 12, 20. So in all, we've completed 44 sounds. You need to only revise. We do have more sessions related to it. So you can check, playlist. Once again, as a humble request, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a nice time.